Meantime, though, when we're talking about all the travel hits caused by the coronavirus, we're also seeing that play out, of course, with cruise line operators as well. Carnival is tumbling yet again today, off more than 12% after the company said it will be halting operations on 18 Princess cruise ships for 60 days. Shares were paused in earlier trading ahead of that announcement, so meaningful news coming there and the reason behind that halt. But we're also seeing, beyond just Carnival, some of these other cruise lines taking hits as well. And an interesting update to Virgin Voyages, the cruise line put out by Richard Branson that had planned to launch in March, telling everyone that it will be postponing its maiden voyage until August 7th. Their ship, the Scarlet Lady, is currently docked in Miami. The hope was to get launched. Terrible timing when you think about a cruise line just getting off the ground here, but offering refunds up to 100% of original things if you want your money back, up to 200% if you want to book again in the future once they actually get that going. But you do wonder, as this goes on, everyone had been talking about how quickly this recovery, this V-shaped recovery would be coming. But as you get more and more cancellations moving forward, I mean, there's some serious problem here for these cruise lines that might not have. When we talk about companies that are strapped, you can only go so long without bringing in any revenue.
Yeah, and here's the problem is that I think, what was it, Princess Cruise Lines that a few days ago was saying, well, we're just going to throw free drink vouchers at all the people that are booked. You do whatever you can not to cancel events that are critical to your revenue stream, right? You do everything that you possibly can to avoid that from happening. And I think now that we've seen the crest, and I think just even in public opinion, public perception of how bad this crisis is yesterday with, the triple blow, I guess, of Tom Hanks and the NBA being canceled and President Trump's Oval Office speech, that people and businesses, I think, are coming to the conclusion that they really ultimately just need to cancel these things, even if it's going to be a real bad impact on their bottom line. Hopefully, it could still be a V-shaped recovery, though. I mean, you still have some businesses, some economists that are saying hopefully by the end of the second quarter this will all be resolved. But every day we get deeper into this makes it seem less likely.
Yeah, and I mean, every time that we see more and more cases pop up in new territories, it does make you wonder what's going on there, because we had at least had some hope to point to in terms of cases in China plateauing or seemingly plateauing. But as we get new cases around the globe, always more concern. Hey investors, Zack Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.